Dear customer, on behalf of Atlas Copco Specialty Rental North America team, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your business. Whether it's the first time you work with us or you are already a partner, I can assure you our more than 300 highly qualified professionals across North America will do their best to exceed your expectations, making sure we remain your preferred business partner for compressed air, nitrogen, and steam rental solutions. Your business enables us to continue investing in the team and grow our capabilities to help you thriving in an increasingly complex world. So, know that you can always count on us because we strongly believe that your success is our success. Thank you very much.